Let us discuss how to draw the perpendicular from a point outside the line. Okay, so line will be given. We need to draw the perpendicular line from one P point. This P point is outside the line. Okay, and what are the methods we will discuss in today's class. Okay, perpendicular means we have to do the 90 degrees line. Okay, I took one textbook question for doing the perpendicular line from. Take the line dimension. If they are not given, we can assume any dimension, 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, like that. Here I am taking 8 centimeter long line or 80 mm long line. The name of the line is AB. Okay, and this P point is at a distance 5 centimeter from A. Okay, and from B point it is 6 centimeters. Okay, the same thing I have written here. From a point P lying at a distance 5 centimeter from end A. Okay, from end A it is 5 centimeter, from end B it is 6 centimeters. Okay, here take the first method. In it I did 8 centimeter line. Okay, write capital letters. After doing the line, mark P point. From A it is 5 centimeter. So take 5 here. Take correct dimensions. Okay, from A do an arc. Similarly from B it is 6 centimeters. From B cut this arc. Okay, so the intersection point is P point. So take the Q point this side. Okay, with the same dimensions. Okay, from A it is 5 centimeter. Here also from A I am taking 5 centimeter arc. So take on the compass 5 centimeter. So from A do an arc, and from B it is 6 centimeters. This point is. So from B cut this arc. You will get one intersection point. It is some Q point. Do the line which is joining P and Q. Okay, this intersection point is Q. Join P and Q. So this line is the perpendicular line to the AB. Okay, so whatever dimensions of P from A and B, take the same dimensions for the Q also. Okay, join P and Q. This line will give the 90 degrees line. Check whether it is 90 or not. Just keep this intersection point coincide with this point of the protractor. You will get 90 degrees line. Take the intersection point is R. Here do with pencil in the exam as well as in drawing hall. AB line has given, it is in dark color, and they are asking perpendicular line. This line should be dark and P point should be dark compared to Q. Okay. Take the second method. In the second method, first do the line, AB line. Okay, it is given 8 centimeter, 80 mm. First mark the end points, join the line, give the names neatly A and B. Okay, mark the P point. Okay. From A this point is 5 centimeter. Always use compass for marking the points. From A it is 5 centimeter. Do an arc. From B it is 6 centimeters. It has given in the question. From B do an arc. We will get one intersection point. This point is P. From P we have to draw the perpendicular. Okay. After that, in this method, take some radius. Okay, any radius, not bigger one. So from P, do an arc on the AB line. Just do an arc here, which should intersect AB line at 2 points. Okay. Now whatever intersection points are coming, I am giving C and D. Okay. And then whatever arc is coming, it is CD arc. Bisect this arc. For bisecting the arc means divide this arc into 2 parts. Take more than half of the radius of CD length. This is the CD length. More than half. Just do an arc from C. Okay. You will get one arc. Take the same radius, D as center. Cut this arc. Okay. Whatever intersection point is coming, Q point, let us take. Join P and Q. you will get the perpendicular line. Check whether this line is perpendicular or not. Okay, this is 90 degrees, showing 90. Okay, so again I will explain. First do AB line, mark P point. Okay, take some radius with compass, do an arc on this line. It is touching at 2 points. Bisect this arc. Okay, you will get Q point. Join P and Q. It is a perpendicular to the AB. So here we can write PQ is perpendicular to AB. The third method, in it I am using the drafter. Okay, so by using drafter it is easy to do. Take the AB line, it is 8 cm. Here I will do, mark the end points 8 cm. Just do the line, and after that where is the P point? P point is 5 cm from A. By using compass do it. So our main aim is we need to mark the P point. Just do an arc. From B it is 6 cm. Just take by using the compass B as center, cut this arc, you will get P point. Okay, you have to do the perpendicular with this. With the drafter do the perpendicular line. Okay, this is a 90 degrees. Check whether it is 90 or not by using this protractor. So this is a 90. These are the methods of doing the perpendicular line on a given line from the outside point. Okay. These two methods are by using the compass, and this method is by using the drafter.